What's up? This week we are giving away a bona fide squirrel pouch. Also fits water bottles. Stick around to the end of the episode to find out how you can win it.
Welcome to the Blue Ridge Bonfire. I'm Dean.
I'm CT.
That's Sasquatch and Hunter.
Boom.
We've got a fun-filled episode for you. We got some event news. We've got some shop news. We've got the typical stuff. You know, you've watched us all the time. You know what we got going on.
You know what we got going on.
So, event news. Oh no, last week.
Last week we debuted the cookie carrier.
We promised we would never make the Cheez-It carrier again.
And we didn't.
We didn't. We did not make. We are not making Cheez-It carriers. We are making cookie carriers.
We would never make a Cheez-It carrier again. We said that. And we didn't. This is just a cookie carrier. It just happens to have a Cheez-It box in it. You see how that works?
Prototypes, you know, they're flexible.
So you know, these are still available.
Still available.
Just 2 days. So we've got 2 more days that these are still available. Go to it, link down below. Get yours. I think they're $35.
We will never make them again. We will never make Cheez-It carriers again.
Ever.
We will never make cookie carriers again, ever.
This is your only
This is it.
chance.
You want a cookie carrier, now's your chance.
Yes.
Also, Biome Patches, the very first one, the Forest Wolf Patch. It is being thrown at me.
It kind of slipped out of my hand.
It is shipping right now. It is available for order. It is shipping right now. Also, map folios. Some map folios have shipped. A bunch more should be shipping here very soon for those of you who are in on that pre-order and you're waiting patiently. Thank you.
Yes.
They will be shipping out some more this week. Also going on right now for the month of April and the month of May, two $100 bills off of the Garmin Overlander via mail-in rebate. So that means, yes, you will pay full price with us. Then you will get a copy of the receipt and the rebate form to send in and get $200 back from Garmin. So
Yes.
clarify it as a mail-in rebate to Garmin, not to us. Just so
And
you know.
now for Dean's favorite part of the
favorite part.
show, where we talk about overlanding events that are upcoming this year. So Dean, what do we got going on?
All right, I'm going to be very busy here in the next couple of weeks. We have the Southern Expeditions Overland Challenge, April 23rd to the 25th in Uwharrie, North Carolina. Both Matt and I are going to be going down for that, so it should be a lot of fun. They're still looking for volunteers, so if you're interested in that, you can go to the Southern Expeditions website, fill out a form. The volunteers actually get hooked up. It's a very fun event to just sit there and watch. That's what we're going to go and do. We got that going on. Also, Central VA Overland Meetup. That same weekend, Saturday, April 24th, is going to be at Bass Pro Shops in Ashland, Virginia. There's like 3 or 4 Virginia Overland groups that are all involved with that. So that's going to be pretty cool.
Yeah, brand new event.
Yeah, new event. Also, Smoky Mountain Overland Rally, April 30th to May 2nd. Again, I will be there. I think we're going to have a booth. I'll be teaching some classes. So it should be a good time.
And then the Big Iron Overland Rally, May 14th, 2/16 in West Mineral, Kansas.
I will probably be going to that and teaching classes as well. I got a phone call with that guy here. As soon as we're done recording, on my lunch break, I'm giving him a call.
And then another brand new event. Not a brand new event.
New event for
Dates
this year.
just
Yeah,
released.
Dates just released.
For the Adventure X Fest. It debuted last year. I got to go to it. Super great time. A lot of fun. Good drink, good music. Trail riding around in the West Virginia area.
And judging by the packet Jason just sent us, it's going to be bigger, badder, better than last year, which is going to be awesome.
Which is rockin' awesome. That is hosted by Mountain State Overland, September 10th to 12th, and it's going to be in Covington, Virginia. If there's any events coming up that you know about, please drop them in a comment down below so we can share them. If you've been to an event, send us your photos so we can show people what these cool events look like.
And all of these events that we mention are online on our Google Calendar, which you can access via our website. If you go to the About Us, drop down, see events, click on that, brings up the calendar, links to the events and all that kind of stuff is all there.
All right, guys, drum roll. It's that part of the show where we get to read your comments.
This is CT's favorite part.
There's just so many goofy things. I love reading funny comments. Last week we asked you, what is your spring cleaning list? What's that messiest part of your life that you just have to dig into and take care of this spring? So Axe Overland on YouTube said, first up will be cleaning and reorganizing under the goose gear from last year. LOL, wish me luck. Yes, don't get sucked hole. In. You know?
He's got a Jeep JK, and anybody who's not familiar, there's like little cubbies underneath there where stuff just falls, and it just goes to die. Like, yes. Just is what it is. All right, at Humming Along on Instagram said, well, first I got to mount my new Velcro panels from you guys, and then I got a 1982 Italia Jet MC5 mini bike that I have to finish restoring. Rebuilt the carb and engine, now is the brakes and frame.
The Real McCoy, Oscar Morales, Edward Voigt, James Patterson, all those guys, they said clean and organize the garage. You got to do it, man.
A lot of people had that same one. At Aiden Lash on Instagram, I need to clean my rig and my toolboxes.
Steve Kadawaski on YouTube said, I love great last names. My spring project is upgrading my front runner drawer system for a Trekbox System Alpha. Super stoked, been saving for a while. That's awesome.
Very, very cool. At Intense Adventures on Instagram, I need to clean the weeds out of my lawn, but the problem is that whenever I do yard work, I look at my Jeep and I think about all the upgrades I could do to it. Who knew yard work was so expensive?
Is that why the West Virginia people get the tall weeds and end up losing vehicles in there?
Yeah, yeah. Like, well, for me, I look at it as the world is my yard, so I don't want to maintain a yard at a house that I'm never at if I'm out traveling. So that's my excuse.
Yes, I kind of like apartment life for that reason. I could be making cool videos instead of mowing the lawn. Jonathan Blackmon on YouTube said, "Spring cleaning. ... It's time to clean the Jeep for the summer. Summer means no doors, no top, so the carpet comes out and gets a deep clean, and the engine gets a good cleaning, all of the mud from the winter shenanigans. Bring on the summer. I mean spring." Smiley face.
Ben Wood on Facebook. Spring means working on the homestead landscape, looking forward to warmer days, waiting for the right overland trip to come along to blow off the cobwebs as soon as I'm vaccinated. Till then, I'm going to keep dreaming.
Solo Saga on YouTube said, I've spent the last 5 months doing repair, replace, and mods on my truck. The garage is absolutely trashed. I'm almost done. So cleaning up that mess is tops, then cleaning up the garden space for tilling if the rain ever stops.
See, there's a man, he made use of the pandemic and did all the work on his vehicle. Now he's getting ready. Chris Rastic on YouTube, giving my Jeep JK undercarriage a good once-over with the wire brush and some fresh paint and protectant. Living in the Rust Belt is beep, 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 which I can totally relate to.
Yeah, dude, I didn't know anybody actually went to all that trouble to actually going in and doing their undercarriage.
Yeah, the Jeep people especially, because on the rear hoop, where the frame goes up over the rear axle, it just collects crap, and almost all Jeeps rust out back there. So that's I don't blame them. I got to do it on mine. So.
And our winner from last week, chosen by our resident Marie Kondo Squirrel, is Solo Saga. So congratulations, you win that Velcro panel with the pouch. All right. Oh yes, and there was a patch on it. This week we are giving away a Molly water bottle pouch. Now. These are well loved around here. We sell a ton of these. They can hold actually pretty large water bottles and Nalgene's and stuff like that. They're also quite tall. They have Molly loops to attach to your seat back panel, etc., etc. And our question this week, in honor of the cookie carrier launch.
Yes.
This is something that's been bothering us, I don't even know how long.
We've been debating it ever since we came up with the cookie carrier idea.
Is an Oreo actually a cookie? Or is it just a sandwich of 2 cookies?
With cream in the middle.
With cream in the middle? We don't know. We need your help to get to the bottom of this. Share your wisdom in a comment down below. Help us settle this once and for all.
If you disassemble an Oreo, is it now 2 cookies? Or if you put 2 cookies together, is it now a sandwich, or does it become one
if I
cookie.
take 2 chocolate chip cookies and put cream in between them.
That's an ice cream sandwich.
Is that, is that just still a chocolate chip cookie?
We need your help. Settle the debate. Drop your rationale down and below. Kudos to anybody who sends in samples for us to scientifically test to make sure whether or not they are cookies or sandwiches.
This month is Snacktical month. We will be releasing snack-related videos and products the whole month long. No spoilers.
No spoilers.
You're just going to have to tune in. Come
two
back in
days
2
from now,
days.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Another
to
Snacktical
see
product.
what we have in store. That is, I think, all the fun I've got.
That's all I got.
I'm CT.
I'm Dean. That's Sasquatch Hunter.
We will see you next week.
Same Brog time.
Same Brog channel. Hey, what's up? Stand by for yawn. Go for yawn.
All right. Some shop news for you. We've got some.
Where did I put the remote for the teleprompter? I set it someplace. I don't know. It's in my back pocket. I'm coming back, I promise. Okay.